wicked ass fucking lightning from catch it all. I'm gonna get an awesome strike. Watch. Oh, Cardi. I'm trying to see the lightning, man. Come on, bro. Strike this fucking lightning. Oh, there was some. Wasn't good. But let's see what we get. Fuck it, man. I'm gonna smoke another. Oh, yeah. That was some good shit. Let's see what we got. What we got? Let's get it. Oh, yeah. Y'all hear that? That's the drums banging, boy. Yeah, boy. They got them 47 footers up there, boy. Oh, yeah. Let's get it. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, baby. And watch this motherfucking lightning. Basil, man, we finna get the mics out this lightning, G. We're gonna catch this perfect shot. The drums is banging down, but the lightning ain't slanging. Stay tuned for part 2.